Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of this amazing dress. The dress is made of knitted fabric. I love the design of the fabric. It makes me think of adventures. There are pieces of maps, compasses, letters, and photos here. I love the fact that there are some bright spots in this fabric. It looks very beautiful and interesting. Notice that there is a seam in the skirt. Down from the seam, there is a flounce. The flounce is flared. You can make a half-circle flounce, or even a circle flounce. You can flare it just a bit. You can also gather it. I recommend doing it when sewing a dress of cotton. Knitted fabrics don't look that good when they are gathered. In this case, flounces are much better. I wanted to have a look at the back of the dress. The dress is absolutely straight. There are regular chest and waist tucks in it. The skirt is decorated with the seam and the flared flounce. What makes the dress look really beautiful is the collar. Have a close look at it. We attached two collars in this dress. One on the front and one on the back. This is how the back one looks like. Notice that there are tiny darts in the sleeves. This is how they look like. You do not necessarily have to make these darts. We made them for the sleeves to look more interesting. The color makes the dress look absolutely amazing. The color itself is very beautiful. You can find such colors in different colors: silver, gray, blue, and so on. They all look absolutely amazing. I was used to the fact that such colors are usually worn just in single-colored garments: dresses, shirts, blouses. When I was in Italy, the fashion designers I met there showed me how such colors look like in multicolored garments. I was fascinated. I couldn't take my eyes off of them. This is why I decided to try and add in such colors in multicolored garments as well. Don't be afraid of experiments. Have a close look at the dress once again. I wanted to show you how amazing these colors look like. It's not hard to insert them. You can attach just one color. Use your imagination. That's it. Today I showed you a review of this amazing dress, which is decorated with the very beautiful colors. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.